Accidentally factory reset your Android phone and lost important data like messages, photos, or contacts? A factory reset wipes your device completely, which makes it feel like everything is gone forever. But the truth is, depending on your situation, your data may still be recoverable. In this video, I'll show you multiple proven ways to recover Android data after a factory reset, whether you have a backup or not. So if this is the first time you're watching our video, then please do consider subscribing to our channel for more content just like this one. Recover data after factory reset without backup. First, let's look at the most powerful option, recovering data even without a backup. This method uses old data for Android, which can scan your device and retrieve data that hasn't been overwritten yet. This powerful software supports over 6,000 Android devices and even lets you preview your lost data before recovering it, all without any quality loss. First, click the link in the description to download and install old data for Android on your computer. Once you launch the program, you will see several recovery options like WhatsApp recovery, Google Drive recovery, and WeChat recovery. But for today's video, click on Android Data Recovery. Now, connect your Android device to your computer and enable USB debugging mode. Don't worry if you're not sure how, the app will give you step-by-step instructions on your screen. Once connected, simply select the data type that you want to recover and hit Start to begin scanning. Follow the on-screen instructions and then let the process complete. No need to reset your phone or root, just scan and see what can be recovered first. After the scan completes, you can preview all the recoverable contacts, messages, photos, videos, etc. Select the ones you want and then click Recover to PC. Choose a save location and that's it. Your lost data are back. Recover data after factory reset from local backup. If you created a local backup before resetting your phone, you can restore your data directly from your device, completely free. For that, open Settings on your Android phone, go to System, and then tap on Backup. Tap Restore and select the available local backup. Choose the data you want to recover and start the restore process. This method only works if a local backup was created before the factory reset. If you don't have any local backup, then using the first method would be the best option for you. Recover photos after factory reset from Google Photos. Next, let's recover photos using Google Photos, one of the most common backup methods on Android. For that, open the Google Photos app. Sign in using the same Google account used before the reset. Browse your backed up photos. Select the photos you want and download them back to your device. If Google Photos backup was enabled earlier, all your photos should be available here. Recover Android data after factory reset from Google Drive. If your data was backed up to Google Drive, you can recover it selectively using old data for Android. Open old data for Android on your computer. Select Recover Data from Google Drive. Sign into your Google account. Choose the backup and select the data type you want to recover. Start scanning and preview the data. Recover only the files you need. This method allows selective recovery instead of restoring the entire backup blindly. And that's how you can recover Android data after a factory reset. Whether you're restoring from Google Photos, local backups, Google Drive, or recovering data even without any backup at all, the right method depends on how your data was stored before the reset. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you need help choosing the best recovery option for your device. Take care, and I'll see you soon.